Come on, man. Come on, Michael. Yay! Say, I'm walking. Crash.
So he has to lean over too much for the car. If you got him one of those push toys where he could stand up straight and push it, it would be better.
No, he's good.
Hey, one-handed. Pretty
Oh.
cool. One-handed. Yay.
Oops. Yay, Michael.
Yay.
Say yay.
Oh, this is the other thing I wanted to plant.
Say yay, Michael.
It's always tomorrow.
Yay. He wants to go more.
Two hands.
Come on, baby man.
Hey, I'm getting good at this.
Woo.
Yay!
Say cheese.
Yay!
Hey, I did it. Yay.
Big boy. You want to go back again? Turn it around. You're going to turn it. Let's see. You have to turn around behind it. Angel, get out of the way.
Poor Angel.
Go this way.
Oh.
And now you're going to have to watch them more.
Oh.
You're going to be sorry you egged them on.
Come back, man. Come back.
Go back to Mommy. Come on. Wait.
Angel. Hey, baby girl. Here comes Michael. Here comes Michael. Don't crash, Angel. Don't crash, Angel. Ups.
Monkey booms.
Ups. He crashed.
Car can't go up the wall, Michael.
You want to do again? What? That's cheating. That's cheating. Cheater, cheater.
Not quite the same. That's better.
Come see me.
Now turn around and go see Mommy.
Oh, what a good boy. Say yay, did it.
No, so he has to turn it.
Say yay. Oh. Boom.
Daddy called that a truck. Because that's a truck. I said, no, that's a Model T Ford. Not a truck. It's a truck. We had a big argument about it last night. Okay. I'm going to go in about 5 minutes.
Up.
10 minutes, I guess. Well, it looks pretty nice outside. So you want to come back later for dinner?
Maybe